Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore a fascinating topic that's extremely relevant to your health. 7 amazing drinks to repair nerve damage. Have you ever wondered how a few simple drink choices can directly impact your neurological health? Well, we're here to unlock those secrets with you. We're going to talk about drinks that you probably already know about, such as green tea and bone broth, but you may not be aware of how beneficial they can be for your nerves. And of course, we'll introduce you to other lesser-known options, such as holy basil tea, which could be the secret to maintaining a balanced mind and a robust nervous system. Stay with us until the end, as you won't want to miss any of them. Green tea. Green tea, a drink that transcends cultures and generations, is much more than a simple infusion. Rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that act as real shields against damage caused by free radicals, it offers significant protection to nerve cells. Studies carried out at Kyushu University in Japan revealed that regular consumption of green tea can reduce the risk of cognitive decline by up to 38%, as well as promoting the regeneration of damaged nerve fibers. Incorporating green tea into your routine can be a simple but transformative gesture. Imagine starting the day not with your usual coffee, but with a cup of green tea. This habit can bring tangible benefits, such as greater mental clarity and a sense of calm that sets the stage for a productive day. The Japanese study also found that participants who regularly consumed green tea showed a significant improvement in their working memory and ability to concentrate. In addition to its direct effects on the nerves, green tea also has the ability to moderate levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. In a world where stress has become almost ubiquitous, this property of green tea is a real balm for the mind and body. Keeping stress under control not only protects the nerves, but also strengthens emotional resilience, making green tea an essential ally in the quest for a balanced and healthy life. 2. Avocado smoothie. The avocado, with its creamy texture and smooth taste, is often called a superfood, and rightly so. Packed with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, this fruit not only nourishes the body, but also provides vital protection for the nerves. The healthy fats found in avocados are essential for maintaining the integrity of nerve cell membranes, helping to prevent oxidative damage that can compromise nerve function. Preparing an avocado smoothie in the morning can be a delicious and effective way to start the day, nourishing the nerves and strengthening the neurological system. A study conducted by the University of California at Los Angeles, UCLA, has shown that regular inclusion of avocado in the diet can improve neural connectivity and cognitive function in adults. Study participants who consumed avocados daily for 6 months showed a significant improvement in memory and information processing speed. With its neuroprotective qualities, avocado also stands out as an excellent source of folic acid, which plays a crucial role in reducing homocysteine, an amino acid associated with nerve damage and cognitive decline. By adding avocado to your diet, whether in a smoothie or as part of a balanced meal, you can promote nerve health and support general well-being, providing a solid foundation for facing daily challenges with more vigor and mental clarity. 3. Ashwagandha tea. Ashwagandha, an herb with deep roots in traditional Indian medicine, is known for its adaptogenic and neuroprotective properties. This tea not only helps to reduce stress, but also has a direct effect on the health of the nervous system, promoting the balance and regeneration of nerve cells. Ashwagandha contains active compounds such as withanolides, which are recognized for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, essential for protecting nerves from damage caused by oxidative stress. Incorporating ashwagandha tea into the daily routine can bring surprising benefits for those seeking a calmer mind and a more robust nervous system. A study carried out by the Institute of Medical Sciences at Banaras Hindu University in India showed that consuming ashwagandha can significantly improve resilience to stress and reduce cortisol levels by up to 28%. In addition, participants in the study reported a general feeling of well-being and an improvement in sleep quality, which is fundamental for the recovery and maintenance of nervous health. Ashwagandha tea is more than just a relaxing drink. It's a real brain tonic. By promoting nerve cell regeneration and protecting against chronic stress, this herb becomes a valuable resource for those who wish to preserve mental clarity and emotional balance. Incorporating this simple practice into your daily routine could be the key to keeping your mind sharp and your nerves under control, especially in times of great mental and emotional demand. 4. Bone broth. Bone broth, known for its richness in nutrients, has gained popularity as a nutritious drink that offers vital support to the nervous system. This broth is a concentrated source of essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which play a crucial role in the conduction of nerve impulses and communication between nerve cells. Consuming bone broth regularly can help maintain the integrity of nerve function and contribute to faster recovery from neurological damage. Preparing bone broth at home, using high-quality bones and cooking them slowly for several hours, releases collagen and other beneficial compounds that are easily absorbed by the body. A study conducted by the University of Nebraska showed that consuming bone broth can improve joint and bone health, as well as providing the necessary building blocks for nerve cell regeneration. Participants in the study reported significant improvements in mobility and pain reduction, as well as a general feeling of body strengthening. Bone broth is more than just a comfort food. It acts as a powerful nutritional support for the body and mind. The presence of amino acids such as glycine and proline, which are essential for tissue repair, makes this drink a powerful ally in maintaining nerve health. Including bone broth in your diet can be an effective way to nourish your body from the inside out, providing the nutrients needed for a strong and resilient nervous system. 5. Golden milk with turmeric. Golden milk, a drink traditionally enjoyed in Ayurvedic medicine, combines the anti-inflammatory powers of turmeric with the calming benefits of milk, creating a blend that nourishes both body and mind. Turmeric, the main ingredient in this drink, contains curcumin, an active compound that has been widely studied for its neuroprotective properties. This drink not only promotes general well-being, but also plays a key role in protecting nerves from inflammatory and oxidative damage. A study carried out by the University of Michigan in the United States highlighted that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, allowing it to act directly on the brain and nervous system. The results showed that curcumin supplementation led to a significant reduction in neurodegenerative inflammation in laboratory models. Study participants who consumed golden milk daily reported improvements in memory and a feeling of greater mental clarity, demonstrating the drink's potential for promoting neurological health. Preparing golden milk is a simple practice, but the benefits it offers are profound. By mixing turmeric with milk, or plant-based alternatives, and spices such as cinnamon and ginger, you create a drink that not only warms the body, but also supports the health of the nervous system. Adding golden milk to your routine can be a delicious and effective way to promote nerve regeneration and protect against oxidative stress, contributing to a clearer mind and a healthier body. 6. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice, known for its vibrant red color and distinctive taste, is much more than a refreshing drink. Packed with powerful antioxidants such as polyphenols, this juice is a real boon for nerve health. The polyphenols present in pomegranate help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that can lead to neurological damage over time. A study carried out by Queen Margaret University in the UK revealed that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can significantly improve memory and cognitive function. Study participants who drank pomegranate juice for 4 weeks showed a marked improvement in their ability to recall information and process data quickly. The researchers attributed these benefits to pomegranate's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which act directly to protect and regenerate nerve cells. By including pomegranate juice in your daily diet, you not only enjoy a delicious drink, but also provide your body with a natural shield against stress and nerve damage. Pomegranate juice can be enjoyed on its own or as part of smoothies and other preparations, making it a versatile and nutritious addition to any health routine. With its potential to improve brain function and protect nerves, this drink stands out as a smart choice for anyone wishing to preserve mental clarity and neurological health. 7. Holy basil tea, Tulsi. Holy basil, or Tulsi, is an herb revered in Ayurvedic medicine for its comprehensive healing properties. When made into tea, Tulsi offers a unique combination of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect the nervous system against wear and tear caused by stress and external agents. Tulsi tea not only calms the mind, but also strengthens the nerves, promoting a general sense of balance and well-being. Research conducted by the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences in Bangalore, India, highlighted that regular consumption of Tulsi tea can significantly reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, and improve resilience to chronic stress. The results of the study showed that participants who drank Tulsi tea regularly experienced a notable reduction in anxiety symptoms and a greater ability to cope with stressful situations. These benefits are attributed to the presence of eugenol, an active compound in Tulsi, which has potent antioxidant effects. Including holy basil tea in your daily routine is a simple way to support nervous system health and promote a state of inner calm. Whether consumed in the morning to start the day with serenity or in the evening for a restful rest, Tulsi tea is a drink that offers comfort and protection for the nerves. By choosing this powerful herb, you are investing in long-term health, nourishing not only the body but also the mind in a holistic and natural way. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this far. I hope this information has been useful and inspiring. Now that you know about these 7 amazing drinks, how about starting to include them in your routine and noticing the changes in your health? Share in the comments which of these drinks you found most interesting. We'd love to know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to keep learning more about how to take care of your health in a natural and effective way. Watch now the video we're recommending on 7 dangerous fish if you are diabetic or not. Until the next video, and take good care of yourself.